Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of problem, session expired on Facebook. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if you want to log in your account and then you will see this type of error, session expired, what you have to do is just simply close this page, and then let me tell you that you have to open settings in your phone, and then what you have to do is just simply open apps, app manager or app management. So just simply search here for Facebook, and from here what you have to do is just simply clear cache or clear storage on your Facebook. Clear cache, clear storage, tap on OK, then go back, then first stop the app and then close this page, again open Facebook. And then let me tell you that after doing these things your problem 100% will be fixed. So just simply log in your account. When you try to log in your account from here, your account will be logging automatically. You can see guys. So after that what you have to do is just simply tap on three lines here, scroll it down from here, setting up privacy. Then what you have to do is just simply tap on settings again, and then tap on password and security. And here you can see here are the sessions, so just simply tap on see all, and you have to tap on log out all sessions. Just simply tap on log out. Now you can see all the session have been logged out, and now the current session will appear here. So that is the way guys you can easily fix this type of problem. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.